Well, for people that feel a bit threatened by technology, if you're an individual seller actually listening to this, we need to embrace the thing we fear the most. If you don't get good at using technology, you're probably destined to be replaced by it. It's a pretty scary thought. Whereas if you choose to become a little cyborg where you can blend human and technology together to increase your own level of productivity and effectiveness, then you become superhuman. You can increase your effective market reach. I've seen sellers do a great job in becoming micro-marketers, and they're creating their own little lead funnels using very simple, low-cost technology. I've seen sellers do a really good job with things like email automation in a way that doesn't label them as a spammer. But there's a new category of technology that's here now called sales engagement platforms. They're big and complex, but they're designed to run cadences and sequences and inject levels of personalization. A lot of it's a bit raw, a lot of it's still clumsy, but that's kind of the next big thing. So for individuals, embrace the thing you fear and become a cyborg. And for leaders in business, really look at shifting your investment. I would argue a lot of your, if you're in the world of B2B field selling, a lot of your Sir Lunch-a-Lot professional visitors out there aren't providing the level of value that clients are looking for. And look at shifting those resources inside on tech stacks and lower cost people that can be more effective. And I might just finish with an amazing true story, and I swear this is true. I was talking to 18 CEOs last week at a forum here in Sydney, and in the coffee break, one of them was the CEO for a North American company that sells to chemists or pharmacists. And they provide, I probably shouldn't say too much because people could figure out who they are, so I won't reveal who they are. But they supply products to pharmacies and people that make drugs. And in America, what they found in their business is they were just running some routine reports out of CRM, and they discovered their 2 highest performing territories in the USA had no sales rep in the field for 4 months. They thought, this is really interesting. Our 2 highest performing territories have had no rep for 4 months. So they went and interviewed the pharmacists, the drugstores in America, customers, and they interviewed them and they discovered some really interesting things. First thing they found was that all of the customers regarded the professional visitor rep from this company that would just drop in and visit them regularly as someone that took them away from serving customers and was just an interruption to their day. When they asked them, well, but what about the sort of value they provide? So, well, you can mail me your brochures, I can jump online. But do you know what? The one bit of value they really do provide me is they help me always get a discount. So this company thought, what? The only value our people are really providing is they're helping discount our prices. So they decided to run an experiment in Australia. They thought Australia's a microcosm of the US. It's small. If we botch this, we're not going to wreck our main North American business. They had 3 field reps in Australia. They fired them. They're gone. They've been going now for 10 months. The business has never been stronger. Revenue's up, margins are up. And what they did is they invested those resources in improving pharmacist experience when they had technical queries. They put a lot more and better information on their website, made it easy to find, and they spent time educating their technical specialists to be more commercially savvy and to be better communicators. So they help technical people up their level of value, create a better online experience, and I don't think they'll end up replacing those 3 field roles. They're really gone forever.